Hello everyone, welcome back to Jilly's Nails. We're on day 27 of 31 days of Halloween nails. The end is coming up, and in fact I actually finished them all tonight. So we are going to jump right into this video because guess who lost a bunch of footage? So it's a short one, but it's still a good one, I think. Actually using gel polish on this, and I did use some to peel off base coat underneath. I started out with this polish because it had a nice orange tint to it, but it's way too shimmery. So I went back in over it. I went ahead and cured that base coat, and then I went back in over it again with a brighter orange color that I have. And I did 2 coats, cured in between each coat for a minute each. These are Maniology gel polishes. They are no longer going to sell those. And so it doesn't really matter, what company you use. Just find an orange that you like. And part of the footage that I lost here, so I'm going to describe it while I'm painting my nails. I basically made a custom chrome powder, and that's part of the reason why I use gel. I feel like chrome powders look a lot better over gel. Yes, you can use them on regular polish too. I just prefer them with gel. So I'm going through and painting this kind of sherbety orange. And then what I did was after I cured 2 coats, it leaves a sticky layer on it. That sticky layer will make the chrome powder stick to the nail. And then the top coat I have is a no wipe top coat. So you can do all the chrome stuff, put your top coat on, and it's safe and plugged in there. You won't be able to see the footage of me mixing the powders. That's the part I lost, and quite frankly, I'm pissed off about it, but it is what it is. The colors that I used to make this deep gold, deep orange that you're going to see was kind of a rust shade mixed with a gold. So the rust shade kind of, I don't know, it's almost pinky colored. It's like almost like a rose gold even. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain it. It came out more pink looking, so I took the gold and mixed it in, and I came out with this beautiful orange shade. That's part of why I'm so annoyed that I lost the footage, because it's actually really pretty. I wish you could see it. Maybe I'll do it again sometime for another video. On this, I just did some simple little cute kind of witch themed stamps. I did 2 cats and a witch's hat. The cats on this plate I'm obsessed with. And this one again came from that plate that I don't know who makes it. It starts with a SP. If you know what company that is, please tell me. I got them off of Amazon. They're adorable and the plates work so well. So I stamped one of the cats with the little bushy tail. Then I went in and stamped a witch's hat, and then I'm going to stamp the other cat, and he's kind of got the arched, Halloween arched cat look, which by the way cracks me up. Every time I see a cat do that, I giggle. Can't help it. My husband then laughs at me for giggling about it. So it's just one of those things in our house. Anytime we see an arched kitty, we have a solid tee-hee moment over it. This is the last cat in that design. This is the one that's a little more arched looking, or his fur standing up. It's cute. And we're going to just go in straight up, straight down and stamp those. You can stamp on top of gel polish. I used a gel top coat to seal it in, and then I just stamped on top of it. Once it's dry, that's the only catch. You have to make sure it is very thoroughly dry. If it is not, and you put a gel top coat on top of it and cure it, it will wrinkle the polish underneath it. So I did all the orange, I did all the chrome powders, and then I cured with a gel top coat. Then I stamped, and I'm using a regular quick dry top coat on that. As long as everything is dry, you're going to be fine. If you try to rush it, you're going to have problems. It'll wrinkle up. It looks horrible when it does it. Think shrink wrap. It basically shrink wraps your nails when you use gel polish. So it just causes issues. But overall, the design came out really great. I'm really sorry I lost that footage because seriously, look at that chrome powder. It's gorgeous. If you like this video or you want to see more like it or you want to see more with the chrome powders, let me know and I'll do it for you. Click in the left corner to subscribe. Click in the right corner to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!